Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So for those who wants to know what are they going to get if they will purchase our bundle course, wherein you will get the digital product selling course plus the multiple sources of income online course for moms. So what you will get sa digital product selling course is the introduction to digital products. So you will learn a lot about digital products, the steps on how to create your own digital products, how to create online courses, how to set up your own sales funnel and website. You will also have printable planners and templates, how to create ebooks, social media marketing strategies for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and how to create your own webinar, how to do email marketing, your rights to resell the course, and how to start earning passive income by selling the digital product selling course as well. With the multiple sources of income online course naman, you will also get how to create multiple sources of income, what are the possible sources of income for a working mom, for a single mom, and for a stay at home mom, and how you can manage your time as a working mom, as a single mom, or a stay at home mom in creating different possible sources of income for yourself and for your family, and also how to get started in creating your multiple sources of income for moms. So when you purchase or take advantage of our bundle course, you will definitely get all of this from our digital product selling course and from the multiple sources of income online course for moms. And what's good about purchasing our bundle package course is that you can also resell this course or the digital product selling course and the multiple sources of income online course, and you can get value for your money. So for those who wants to purchase our bundle course that includes the digital product selling online course and multiple sources of income for moms online course, just click the link on my TikTok profile if you are on TikTok, but if you are watching this from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and click the bundle course, digital product selling and multiple sources of income for moms, the one that you're seeing on your screen. If you have any questions or any concerns or any inquiries, you can contact me on my contact details that you're seeing below so that I can help you or assist you in purchasing our online courses. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group where you can join and you can interact or connect with other moms who are also on their way of building multiple sources of income. And you can get ideas as well or engage with them so that we could build up and encourage one another as moms in starting our online businesses and creating multiple sources of income. So I'm looking forward to see you in our Facebook group community for Wealthy Moms Club, and also looking forward in you purchasing our online courses that will definitely help you as a mom and someone who wants to really get started in putting up their own online businesses. Thank you and God bless.